Hello everyone, we are here with the Red Rocket today as we are taking off the front sheet metal right here. I'm going to be reusing that hopefully in some kind of fashion. Don't really know how I'm going to be building the front grille area of the Red Rocket yet, but going to be saving all that just to be safe. Going to be taking all that off right there. The windshield area is going to be staying there. Going to also try to get the floor out. Hopefully shouldn't be too bad. Looks like it may be just 1, 2, 3, 4. I see a bolt right there. Shouldn't really be too difficult to get it out, but we'll see. So let's get started on it. Well, it's been a couple of days since I recorded that clip, and I kind of got a little carried away with taking stuff apart without a camera going. So let's see what I got taken apart. I got the front piece off, which was very interesting with those welded on. And I got these pieces off, which were not that hard to get off. They were just kind of stuck a little bit with some of this silicone on here. And now I'm going to try to see what I can do about getting this whole back piece off. I'm hoping I can get it off in one piece. I may have to yeah, it's welded to the to this square tubing right here, right there, so I may not be able to get this off all the way until I cut it right there. So I'll just have to see about that. And right now I'm going to be working on getting this piece off right here so I can free up any kind of hardware that's still kind of holding it on. I don't think it's really holding on anywhere. I think it's just kind of there. So it'll be interesting. I think the rest of it's just kind of sitting there. So let's get this trim piece off so we can start taking more stuff off. Well, all the wiring is officially removed. You got it sitting right there. The wiring harness is out. This trim piece is out, and I'm not really sure if this upper piece right here is separate from this piece, but I do know that piece is welded on right here. And my sawzall, hacksaw, what do you want to call it, fits in perfect right there. So I'm probably going to make a cut right there on both sides to separate this piece right here. So let's get to doing that and see if I can get this front piece off. Well, I've got both sides cut. There was that, like I said, it was welded right there, and 2 more places right there. I got that cut on both sides, and I found out apparently the this piece right here is welded to the floorboard in several places, so that's not coming off right now. But the good news is this is loose, which means when I get ready to take the steering components off, I'll be able to take all that out, take this off in one piece hopefully, or as much of a single piece as I can. But I will have to try to get the floorboard out, because it definitely has to come off when we're doing our welding. So or maybe not. I'm going to talk with my brother-in-law and at Engine Light Garage. Go check him out. Gonna go talk to him, see what we might be able to get away with, and without having to take this floorboard out yet. But that's going to be it for this video. Kind of a boring video, just taking stuff off. But making more progress on the Red Rocket. Definitely looking forward to when we can get that back end frame section installed. Really looking forward to that. But it is been raining all weekend. It is really humid outside, so I'm going to be sticking that back on there, and a couple of other pieces just sitting here to stop water from getting in there and keep stuff organized. But there it is. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.